This is Mumbai monsoon special pav bhaji. Today I will share the pav bhaji recipe. You can see it looks very delicious. And to prepare pav bhaji in a pressure cooker, first I have added some sunflower oil, and in that I will add some cumin. I have added some cumin, and now I will add some chopped potato and carrot. I have taken here 2 medium sized potato and 1 small size carrot. I will fry them for a while, and I will add some water and give 2 whistles. I have already fried it for 2-3 minutes, and now I am adding some water. I have added salt and little bit of turmeric. Now I will cover it and will cook until 2 whistles. I have turned off the gas. Now in a kadhai I will make the masala, pav bhaji masala. For that I have added some 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil and 2 cubes of butter. I will heat them well, and then I will add some finely chopped capsicum. I will stir 2-3 times, and then I will add finely chopped onion. I have taken here 2 big size onion. Have to cut them in finely chopped because the masala will be like smashed. So cut the veggies as small size as you can. So I have to stir it in a high flame for few minutes, 1 to 2 minutes. Then I will add rest of the veggies. Till the time it was getting little fry, I was chopping 1 more onion and some coriander and a cucumber for garnishing. I have chopped the fresh coriander, and now I am adding 1 big size tomato. I will stir it for few minutes. The onion should not be very fry, just the raw smell will goes. Then I will add all the masala. Here I have already cut it an onion and a cucumber for garnish it. Again I am stirring it. Now I am adding green pea. I am adding turmeric, and then chili powder, coriander powder, this is cumin powder, and I will add coriander powder as well. And this is Kashmiri red chili powder. I will add 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder so that it gets a good color. And now I am adding 2 tablespoons of pav bhaji masala. I am continuously stirring it. I am adding little bit of coriander, and meanwhile I have added salt as well. I am adding the salt now, and I am adding little bit of water, otherwise it will get burned. I will stir it for few minutes, and then I will drain the sabzi that I have give 2 whistles in the pressure cooker. I will drain the water and I will add the sabzi now, and after that I will add the water later. So in a drainer I have drained the water, and I am adding this potato and carrot inside this. I will mix the masala with the sabzi. I have added all the boiled sabzi inside the kadhai, and I will mix it, and later you have to smash all the sabzi. As I didn't have any smasher, I am using a glass here. So I have smashed the potato and carrot and the green peas as well. Then I have added some water, and later the boiled water, sabzi boiled water also I have added. After stirring it for few minutes, I will put it in another gas in low flame. Till that time I will prepare my pav. It's almost done. Just the water will be boiled and it will be little thick, so the masala will be ready. One more thing, you can add kasturi methi as well. As I didn't have kasturi methi, so I have added some lemon juice. This is a like we called it as gandharaj. It has a very good smell like heaven. So I added that juice inside that. So the smell and the taste, it will enhance the smell and taste as well. It smells like heaven. I'm adding the juice. This is completely optional. If you like the smell or like shower taste, you can add, or you can skip it as well. So I have kept the kadai in a different gas oven and kept it in a very low flame, and another one I have added a pan, and I will add some butter now. In a hot tawa I am adding butter. This is garlic flavor butter, and this is my trick. I will add some chopped coriander, and I will add some that masala. My baby came to have some butter. She loves to have raw butter. So in that butter I will add some chopped coriander, and I will add some masala. Then I will fry the pav. So look wise also it will be great, and taste also it will enhance the taste. I'm adding some masala in that butter. Then I will put the pav. I'm adding the pav. Both side I will fry. The another side I will add little bit more butter. Then I fried both the side. We have to fry the pav for 2-3 minutes. If you like very much crunchy, so you can fry it for some more minutes to make it more crunchy. It's almost ready. I will transfer it in a plate now. I have turned off the gas. Meanwhile I can do the plating. And here our Sunday special pav bhaji is ready. It was quite good. You can try this recipe, and you can let me know if you like the process, like the taste or not. I have added little bit of butter inside that also, and now I will garnish with some chopped onion and cucumber. And here it is. Look at the pav, how it is looking. I think it's great. This video is till now. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for many more. Thank you for watching. Tata.